Hello everyone and welcome. This video is part of our series of video where we are going to talk about data science and machine learning. We are recording these in a very bite-sized video so that depending on your availability, you can consume them. We are not recording it in a 1 hour, 2 hour long video. Secondly, these video are very simple so that even non-techie people can also understand it. Right? So let's start with our first video that is about introduction to data science. Let me share my screen. So what is data science? Data science its very basic meaning. So data science is actually the study of data. It involves collecting, analyzing, interpreting large amount of information to uncover or the hidden patterns, trends, and insight into it. And the way data science is used in the healthcare, marketing, finance, entertainment, there are so many other domains where this data science as a technology is being used, right? So there are different use cases depending on the domain you are in. For example, in healthcare, doctors and researchers are using data science to analyze patient data and discover new treatments, right? For instance, by studying patterns in medical records, they can predict which treatments are most effective for certain diseases in certain area or region. Similarly, in a finance, bank and financial institution use data science to detect fraudulent transaction, right? By analyzing spending pattern, they can identify unusual activity and prevent the fraud. And similarly for other domains also. When it comes to the component of data science, so there are actually these are the key components we have for the data science. Data collection. Data collection is the very first step where data is gathered from various sources such as surveys, sensor, online databases. For example, take an example of a retail store. A retail store might collect data on customer purchase through their point of sale system. Right? That's the collection, the way where the data is being collected. Second is the data cleaning. Once the raw data is collected, the raw data often contains some error, missing value, or sometimes irrelevant information also. Data cleaning involves fixing these issues, right? To ensure that data is accurate and reliable. Think of it like cleaning a messy room before you can find what you need in that room. That's what the data cleaning is. When it comes to the data analysis is where most of the magic happens. So data scientists use some statistical methods and algorithm to analyze the clean data from the previous step and uncover patterns, try to find out some insight. For instance, they might find that sales of umbrella increase in rainy days or maybe during the summer season, right? That's more often a trend they are getting, right? And they may get, and similarly, they may get other trends also. After the data analysis is the visualization part of it. To make that insight easy to understand, data scientists create visual representation of data, maybe in charts, graph, maps. So there are different ways of visualization. We will have a separate record video for the data visualization. This helps people quickly understand the finding and make informed decision. They don't have to go through that long list of data or maybe in a tabular format. Once it is presented in a more visual way, it is better, it is easy to consume and people can make a quick decision. Finally, the machine learning. Machine learning is more often a subset of data science. Machine learning actually involves training computers to learn from data and make prediction. For example, an e-commerce website might use machine learning to recommend products based on your past purchases. That's part of the machine learning. I can give you an example for all these stages. Think about starting with the data collection. Think about if you are, if think about an online shopping website, right? The website collects data on your browsing history, including the products you view, the items you add to your cart, and your purchase history. when I say right, and that's where it keeps collecting that data. And that online shopping website could be your the website from you buy books or maybe any other e-commerce website. Right? Next comes the data cleaning. The collected data is cleaned to remove any errors or irrelevant information, such as maybe duplicate entries or outdated product listing, right? Or sometimes there may be a missing entry also. So those entries should also be filled in. The third step comes the data analysis. For that online shopping website, the data analysis actually include to understand your preferences. They might discover that you often find sports equipment and outdoor gear. Seems to be you are more of a sports person, right? Similarly, in case somebody is looking for books on history, that person may be a historian, right? The fourth stage, data visualization. Data visualization is presenting the data in a graph showing popular product categories, right, among customers like you, right, or maybe in your region. That it shows that, hey, these are the kind of product which are generally being sold in city A. These are the product which are sold in region B. Right? This helps. The data visualization helps in that. Now, finally, the machine learning. The website may use machine learning algorithm to recommend new products you might like based on your browsing and purchasing history. Whatever you have browsed so far, whatever you have purchased so far, based on that, it can recommend you new product. And you may have already experienced in most of these websites. Whenever you search for something or whenever you buy something, it starts showing you maybe some similar products, right? That's actually the magic of machine learning. Right? That's what the concept of the data science, right? So this is our first video, and we will be creating more like this. And if you want to learn more about data science and machine learning, we have a 1 day course, right? And it's a very detailed, very hands-on course, right? And it's very reasonably priced. I think it's 890 rupees per plus taxes per participant. It's an online course. You are most welcome to join, and that would be really helpful for you to do a deep dive into that data science and machine learning. You can connect with us on our website or maybe on email, call, WhatsApp, follow us on Instagram, connect with us on LinkedIn, whatever works for you. That's what I hope it was useful. Thank you.